Go through all the products in the show. And I always love looking at the buyers in particular when we pull out items, because sometimes I can see it on their faces like, oh my gosh, we really cut a great deal on this. Like, oh my gosh, we took this so far down. It has been disclosed to me that the price in its debut on this leather on the outside and in tote handbag has been taken down almost to cost. Like, it is such an incredible value if you are the high-end handbag gal. In other words, if details matter to you, leather content matters to you, and you love luxury, but you don't want to pay thousands of dollars, come on in. 4 easy payments. Wait till Brad takes you through details on this is key. Your easy pay is $44.85 on this bag. Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow.
It really is incredible, and it's beautiful, and embodies everything in C. Wonder detail-wise. 3 color choices. You're looking at the Adriatic blue here. I'm always a fan of the blushes and the roses. Those are my kind of feminine neutral. Here's the dusty rose.
So beautiful.
And then the black, which you'll use all year round. It's 827, 8276. But given what you're receiving in this bag, that's an incredible price tag.
Yeah, well, what's so great about this bag is I love the tote silhouette. It's, you know, I think one of those really versatile handbag styles that women return to season after season. Now, what I really wanted to do with this is that idea of incorporating print and incorporating some texture into your wardrobe, but through a luxury handbag. So the outside is beautiful printed leathers. You can see that gorgeous in the Adriatic blue, that gorgeous, gorgeous printed leather with the Status C. Wonder molded C right there, so everybody knows that you're carrying C. Wonder. The beautiful tote shape, you can see it's a very generous size, but it's not overbearing. You know, this is a very functional tote, but the shape of it is so pretty. You can see that there, how the sides kind of are angled out and inward, so you get like a little tiny bit of a bucket bag. But what we did on the inside with the lobster claw closure here, so you have the safety, you can keep all of your items inside the bag, is the bag isn't lined with canvas, it's not lined with some fabric, it is lined with the same color of pebble leather
interior.
So there's nothing more luxurious than having, you know, your interior be leather as well. So that blue is really, really, really bright and gorgeous. We have a secure zippy pouch, a pocket, interior pocket on the inside, so you can put your keys, you can put all the things that you turn to over and over again. But this bag, I can't say enough about the value that you're getting for the leather on the inside and on the outside. And that pebble leather is so soft. I mean, it smells so good up here right now. I love the smell of leather. It smells so beautiful. And these colors too, I love that we did it in the blue and we did it in the blush and then also the black, because you kind of have your beach moment, you have your weekend moment, and then you have your city moment.
Yeah. This is great. Well, when you think about it, luxury tote, that's almost an oxymoron. Like, you don't see that very often, or if you do, it's in the thousands of dollars.
Exactly.
So I know we're in our final minute or two of the show. I actually want to invite in our caller, Ann, who's been waiting. Ann, good morning. Thank you for tuning in to C. Wonder. Let me introduce you to the famous Brad Goreski. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Hi, Ann.
I'm fine. Hi, I'm calling from California.
Well,
right on.
So it's still kind of early in the morning then.
I'm half asleep, but you guys have opened my eyes.
I love hearing that.
Mission accomplished. Oh.
I've been shopping.
Oh, I'm so glad. What did you love? What did you find?
I found the real cute zebra shoes.
Oh.
I have C. Wonder's espadrilles I bought about a month ago.
Oh, great.
In the olive, and they're just really pretty with the gold coins on them.
Yes.
Oh, yes, I love those. Great purchase.
Yes, I bought the cardigan sweater that you showed a little bit ago.
Yeah,
great with that
That's
beautiful
great.
scalloping. You're gonna love the feel of that cardigan. It's perfect weight. I'm from California as well. It's the perfect weight for our California evenings.
Yes, and let's see. I bought. I think I bought 2 things. I just bought the tuna top.
Wow.
Which is beautiful. Yes.
You woke up ready to shop today. TGIF, Ann.
Well, I woke up ready to feel good. I've been going through a tough time the last few months, and you guys have really helped me. And Jennifer, I love you.
Oh, honey,
Yeah.
I love you too. And I'm so
Yeah.
glad that you're seeing some light at the end of what I'm sure has been a long tunnel. And so
Yes,
I'm
it has.
sending
It's
warm wishes your
keeping-
way.
It's keeping me going. The colors and the way they fit. I've lost 20 pounds, and these sizes fit like a dream.
Well, Anne, you know, we created this collection to bring joy and to bring happiness into your life. And I'm so happy that you're with us this morning and that you purchased so many beautiful things and that we can be a part of your life the way that you're a part of ours. So thank you so, so much for that. And I hope
means
you
a
enjoy
lot.
everything.
I certainly will. In my recovery, they say feeling good is looking good. And I've certainly been looking good.
I love it, Anne. I love it.
Oh,
Thank you.
We applaud you, Anne.
Yeah.
Continue to wear them in good and improving health, and we send our warm wishes your way.
So
Have
much
a great
love.
summer.
And
Bye-bye.
the Wonders jewelry is so pretty. I bought the little elephant on the chain this winter, and it's just gorgeous.
Oh,
so
thank you,
glad.
Anne. You're a true See Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You'll have to call in a future show and let us know about your new purchases, okay?
I sure will. You
All
guys
right.
keep up the good work, and God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank
God
you.
bless.
Likewise.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, hon. Bye.
Oh, that is just the sweetest. And what a great way to end our show,
I
right? With
know.
a little bit of joy.
We love Anne. Thank you for that call.